Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tissue paper flower. Let's just get started. So the supplies you'll be needing is some tissue paper, obviously, and mine was 10 by 13 inches, scissors, and a green pipe cleaner or string or anything to tie your paper together. So you're just going to cut your tissue paper out, mine's already cut, and you're just going to do an accordion fold. If you're not sure how to do an accordion fold, you basically just fold it over one way and then fold it back over the other way and do that all across the whole sheet. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to use this to tie your pieces together. But don't do this step until you watch the rest of the video, because I did actually mess this up and I corrected myself later. So watch the whole video before you do this so that you know which way to put the pipe cleaner. Then you're just going to take your scissors and round the edges so that when you complete it, it looks more like a flower. So here's where I realized I messed up because it wouldn't open. And so you want to line up your pipe cleaners so that the long edge lines up with the long edge of the tissue paper. That might make no sense, but if you watch, it makes more sense. So then you're just going to take your top layer of tissue paper and you're basically just going to pull it up to separate it from the rest of the pieces. And then you're just going to repeat that with all the other pieces of tissue paper, and it should make it fluff up and look like a flower. Today's shoutout goes to Sophia Kogan. If you would like a shoutout, comment #shoutout below and I'll be sure to mention you in my next video. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, turn on post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!